How to mute a Discord server. Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you a simple trick how to mute a Discord server. So let's get started. To get started, log into your account on Discord and select the Discord server or Discord community you would like to mute. Like for demonstration purposes, I will mute that Midjourney server here. Click on its icon here on the left sidebar, not with your left mouse guys, but with your right mouse, and next select mute server from the drop down menu and choose for how long you would like to mute that server, like for example 15 minutes or an hour or for an entire day, or maybe even for an unlimited amount of time till you unmute that server again manually. Let me mute that one for a time span of 15 minutes for demonstration purposes. There you go, that server, that Discord community has been muted for me so that I will not receive any notifications or new messages for a time span of 15 minutes or until I unmute that server manually again. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.